Hey everyone! Ready to dive into the vibrant world of acrylic painting? In just 3 minutes, I'll guide you through the basics, and by the end, you'll be itching to pick up a brush and create your own masterpiece. Let's get started. First things first, gather your supplies. You'll need acrylic paints, a palette, brushes, a canvas, and some water. Got everything? Great, let's move on. Step 1. Preparing your canvas. If your canvas isn't pre-primed, apply a layer of gesso. This gives a nice, smooth surface to work on. Let it dry before moving on. Now, step 2. Sketch your design. Use a light pencil to outline your composition. Keep it simple, especially if you're just starting out. Don't worry if it looks rough. You'll refine it with paint. Step 3. The fun part, painting. Start with your background. Mix your colors on the palette and use a larger brush for broad strokes. Apply the paint in thin layers, building up the color gradually. Remember, acrylics dry fast, so work quickly. Step 4. Blocking in shapes. Use mid-sized brushes to fill in the main shapes of your design. Focus on the larger areas first. Don't stress about details yet. Just get the basic colors and shapes down. Step 5. Adding details and highlights. Switch to smaller brushes for finer details. This is where your painting starts to come to life. Add highlights and shadows to create depth and dimension. Play around with different brush strokes and techniques. Step 6. Final touches. Step back and take a look at your work. Are there any areas that need more attention? Add those last details and maybe a few splashes of color for extra flair. And there you have it, a beautiful acrylic painting created by you. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting and pushing your creativity. If you enjoyed this quick guide, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more art tips and tutorials.